If you watched my last video, where I shared 50 insane ways people are using Nano Banana, then you already know how powerful this AI can be. But today, I want to go even deeper. Instead of just showing off wild use cases, I'm going to put Nano Banana, also known as Gemini, 2.5 flash image to the test for something practical that almost everyone needs: professional product photos. Think about it. If you're running an online store, building a brand, or just want polished product shots without expensive equipment, this tool could save you hours of work and a ton of money. And by the end of this video, you'll see exactly why. And here's the best part. Every single prompt used in this tutorial is written down for you in the description, so you can copy, tweak, and try them yourself. So do me a quick favor before we jump in. Hit that like button, share this with a friend who geeks out on AI, and make sure you subscribe. That way you won't miss any of my upcoming deep dives into AI tools. Now, let's log into Google AI Studio together and get started with Nano Banana. Once you're inside, the workflow is simple. Upload a product photo with the background removed, describe the kind of scene or setup you want, and let Nano Banana generate a result that looks like it came out of a professional photo shoot. Let's go through some powerful examples. For the first test, I started with something simple, an ordinary energy drink can, nothing exciting. But I wanted to see if Nano Banana could transform it into something that looks like a luxury magazine ad. So I uploaded the can and used this prompt: create a cinematic luxury ad for Predator energy drink, Gold Strike. Place the golden can on a sleek black reflective surface, lit by dramatic spotlights. Add glowing golden particles and abstract energy streaks around it. Use a dark black and gold background with sharp reflections and a faint mist at the base. Style it like a premium watch or car ad, bold, powerful, and high class. And the result blew me away. The plane can suddenly look like a status symbol. The glossy black surface reflected the gold tones beautifully, almost like a jewelry photo shoot. The glowing particles and streaks gave it an electrifying, high-energy vibe, exactly what you'd expect from an energy drink ad. Even the mist at the base added depth, making the whole scene feel cinematic. Honestly, it looked like a campaign image Predator themselves would pay thousands of dollars for. For the second example, I switched gears to something completely different: a skincare jar. Skincare products often live or die by how they're presented, so I wanted to see if Nano Banana could create that premium beauty aesthetic. I uploaded the jar and prompted, turn this basic skincare jar into a luxury Flatlay product image. Place it on a pastel pink background, scattered with rose petals and lavender. Add soft top-down studio lighting, and enhance the textures on the jar label to look glossy and professional. The results were beautiful. The pastel backdrop gave it a clean, feminine look. The petals felt naturally scattered, and the soft lighting brought out a glossy, tactile finish on the label. It looked like the kind of high-end product image you'd see in a Sephora catalog or an Instagram beauty campaign. Next, I wanted to test something more dynamic with a protein drink bottle. Unlike Flatlays or staged ads, this needed action and energy. I wanted it to feel like a sports campaign, something that screams fitness and performance. So here's the prompt I used. Reimagine this protein drink bottle as a high-energy sports ad. Capture a splash of water bursting behind it, bold neon lighting reflecting on the bottle, and droplets on the surface for freshness. Add a dynamic hand holding it mid-motion. The result had a completely different vibe. Bold splashes of water froze mid-air, neon lights streaked across the label, and the bottle glistened with condensation. Adding a hand gripping the bottle made it feel human and real, like a genuine lifestyle shoot. It gave me the impression of a commercial still pulled directly from a Nike or Gatorade campaign. After that, I moved on to a kombucha drink to test whether Nano Banana could handle softer, more organic branding. Here's the prompt. Style this kombucha bottle for an organic brand ad. Place it on a rustic wooden table with fresh berries around it, warm natural lighting, and a cozy artisanal vibe. The label should look sharp, textured, and realistic. The result was gorgeous. The bottle sat perfectly on a rustic table that looked hand-carved. The berries and apples weren't just thrown in, they were placed in a way that felt styled but still natural, like a real food photographer arranged them. The warm sunlight cast soft shadows that made the whole scene feel inviting, almost like you'd want to sit down and enjoy the drink. And again, the label was crisp and perfectly integrated. No smudging, no warping. It gave me the exact vibe of a brand that's organic, trustworthy, and crafted with care. Finally, I wanted to push the creativity even further with a Coca-Cola fantasy can. Instead of keeping things minimal, I aimed for something bold, vibrant, and cinematic. The prompt I used was, Create a cinematic luxury ad for a Coca-Cola can. Place the red can on crystal clear ice cubes with condensation droplets for freshness. Surround it with splashes of caramel liquid, fizzing bubbles, and hints of natural ingredients like cola nuts and lime slices dipped into the ice. Add dramatic lighting and glossy reflections, with a radiant glow around the logo. Style it like a premium beverage ad, bold, refreshing, and high class. The final result was jaw-dropping. The can sat perfectly on crystal clear ice, droplets sparkled across its surface, and the caramel splashes with fizzing bubbles made it look alive with energy. The lime slices tucked into the ice added a natural touch, balancing the fantasy with realism. And that radiant glow around the logo, it made Coca-Cola look like the hero of the scene. If I hadn't made it myself, I'd swear it came from Coke's actual marketing team. After running these tests, it's clear Nano Banana isn't just hype, it's one of the most practical AI tools Google has released. The lighting is flexible, the labels stay accurate, and the ability to refine your photos just by describing what you want makes it accessible for anyone. If you want more inspiration, definitely check out my earlier video on 50 unique Nano Banana use cases. I'll link it in the description. And if this breakdown helped you, remember to like, share, and subscribe. That way, you won't miss my next deep dive into the world of AI tools.